Today I'm making cow's feet stew peas. 2 pounds of cow's foot, 1 pound of red peas, mixed together, 1 peg of garlic, a tablespoonful of salt. Put it in a pressure cooker and pressure it for 30 to 45 minutes. I'm serving that with black rice royal blend, and this is Uncle Tom recipe. The black rice is 1.5 cup of black rice, a teaspoon of salt, butter, 2.5 cups of water, and I cook it in a rice cooker. So you put it on and forget it with 2 ounces of butter. And you can put whatever amount you like. Some people like butter. My husband loves butter, so I put that amount in it, and that's what Uncle Tom required. The butter. And with steamed vegetables. So that's what we're serving tonight. After it has been pressured, a cup of coconut milk is added. Half tablespoonful of complete seasoning added. Two ounces of butter added. Cut up onion and pepper are added. And then you leave it to steam, cook down. This recipe is especially good because it reduces wrinkle, it promotes elasticity in the skin, and the collagen in it is really good for men and women, especially men. This is one of Uncle Tom's go-to recipe, and he said he has no problem getting his business done. He doesn't need Viagra. The food that he eats is his Viagra. There you have it. I said it. Cow's foot recipe is Uncle Tom. One of Uncle Tom's go-to to strengthen his body, so he doesn't need to take a Viagra. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I did. Research it for yourself and you will realize that it's really good. You don't have to make stew peas like that. You could make it in soup and just drink the soup. You get the collagen from it that way too. It can be used for many different things, but one, it strengthens the body and it gives your skin the elasticity that it needs to keep you young and fresh. There it is. I said it. Young and fresh. Uncle Tom is on his way over, and the plate that I'm sharing right now is his. Some people like to add flour to it, to the stew piece, to thicken it. Using Uncle Tom recipe, you do not have to add flour to it to thicken it, because the collagen that is coming from the cow's foot, you get that natural thickness of it. You leave it for a minute and let it cool. It is so thick you could cut it like a knife. You could use a knife. You have to use a knife to cut it up. So it's like a jelly. You could even boil the cow's foot, strain off the water, and use it as gelatin. Put it in your fridge. Just mix it. My back home, my mother used to boil the cow's foot, strain off the first set of water, and mix it with sweetened milk, and let it cool. And she would give it to my dad, and give us a little drop of it, just to taste it. And it was so good. You could do that too if you don't want to go through that. I might do a recipe of that too. I'm gonna do it like that one day. I'll put out a recipe exactly how to do it. Okay? I mean a video. So Uncle Tom, yes, this is his recipe. These are the things that he eats over the years, so he doesn't have to revert to using Viagra. He feeds his body well. And he's not fat, and he's not skinny. He's at normal weight and look good. Look good, look good, look good. Okay, thank you for watching my channel, and subscribe for more delicious meal and more of Uncle Tom recipe to prevent yourself from after using Viagra and some of the stuff that we as women are buying. If we just do these simple little things, we don't need it. Thanks for watching my channel, part 2 of Uncle Tom recipe.